and here with the fish you click on MySQL. And new database, you write a name for the database. I use the name shop. You can use affiliate shop or whatever you like. Click on create database. Now you have created a database, but you have to assign a user to the database. So here it says current users, username, password, and create user. So we will create a user, and I use the same name, shop. That's easy to remember. And the password can be whatever you like. Create user. Now we have to assign the user to the database. So I click on go back, scroll a little down, user, and you will see it is called Susanne's underscore shop. And the database also has a new name, Susanne's underscore shop. You have to remember these names. And you give this the privileges to all, then you say add user to database. Now you have assigned the user to the database, and that's what you have to use.